Hey there, Express Maintenance family. Eric here again. And this particular enhancement strictly has to deal with the mobile app. And like in Express Maintenance, you want to be able to, when you're looking at a work order, maybe it's a demand work order, or even another PM, you want to be able to see the previous work orders on that piece of equipment. Well, now you can just go look up that piece of equipment in the mobile app, and you can do that by simply going to the equipment screen and then select your equipment. And now you'll see under the work orders, you can jump to any previous work order that you see. So if you want to look at previous PMs, here's your sources over here. You can see PMs just by selecting one of these. It's going to take me to that work order. So I know you guys have been asking for that. I'm glad we could present it to you. And that's version 9.4.7.12. And if you need to update, obviously you can email us to request an update at info@expressmaintenance.com, or just reach out to our sales team. Our office number is area code 931-269-9764, or email us at sales@expressmaintenance.com. Be happy to answer any questions you have, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.